What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today I have another case from Prodigee. They were kind enough to send me out their superhero. So pretty much this is what the box looks like. I'll make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. But this is their superhero case. We're just going to pop it on and see what it looks like. So pretty much it's just a TPU, a hard TPU shell case that is like a smoke black. So pretty much we're just going to drop my 16 Pro Max in like so. It has, I can already tell you, this has a nice snug fit and feel to it. And this is what it's going to look like on your device. So now you do get access to your power button. Nice and clicky, no problem. Down here you do get access to that new camera button there, which is good to go. You can get access to it just like that, and you're still able to use the functions that it has, no problem. I do wish it was actually a button on top, because I feel like if dust and grime gets in there, it could mess up the functions, the usability of it. At the bottom here, you do get your cutouts. On this side, you do get buttons for, this is your alert slider. Nice and clicky, as you can see. Volume up and down button, volume up button, nice and clicky. Volume down button is nice and clicky. You do get a nice lip, so if you place your phone flat down on the table, you have no problem. But if you're someone that is worried about your screen getting messed up, I would recommend you put on a screen protector like I currently have on my device. So if you want to just flop your phone down, you have no worries, because you actually have a screen protector on your device. Coming to the back here, you do get a nice cutout for the camera. So if you place your phone on the back of the camera, you should have no problems to go. You could get a camera ring, you can get a camera screen protector to cover that up, but I don't like how those look. They tend to look bulky and kind of weird. But this does have MagSafe capability. Has a little lip here. Overall, this is a nice looking and feeling case. This was the superhero from Prodigee. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next video. I'm out.